Hey there, welcome back to another exciting Finance Zoom video. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of financial freedom. As Dave Ramsey lays down the financial wisdom, there's one key to unlocking the path to debt freedom, and that is boosting your income.
Pay cash for this, huh? Cash money!
Well, what I would suggest you do is let's just increase your income by increasing your hours doing something and get these debts cleaned up as fast as possible.
What's the best and fastest method to use to pay off debt? There are numerous approaches we can explore, but there's one method that offers us hope, and it might be something we need to be fully aware of. It's time to confront the truth and take control of our financial situation. Let's delve into the debt snowball concept and discover how it can help us efficiently manage our debts and pave the way to financial freedom.
Lannister always pays his debt.
According to the First Source article, paying off debt with a snowball strategy has worked for many people. Getting out of debt is an excellent goal. It will make life so much better and free up money for investments, travel, or whatever people want to do with it. Fix those money habits and watch how financial freedom becomes a reality. It's all about taking control. Remember Dave's secret sauce for crushing debt. First, work harder. Second, work smarter. And lastly, increase those earnings. Real estate offers a straight commission, so it's your golden ticket to pay off those debts at lightning speed.
So I quit telling people to get out of debt paying off the highest interest rate first. I started teaching people what we started calling the debt snowball. And it's a real tough metaphor to grasp. You list your debts, smallest to largest. You pay minimum payments on everything but the little one. You attack the little one with a vengeance. Scorched earth lifestyle. Sell so much stuff the kids think they're next. Take 16 extra jobs. Name the dog eBay and put him there. Put the cat on Craigslist. We're getting out of debt.
Listen up, my fellow finance enthusiasts. It's time to toss the old playbook of paying off high-interest debts. Dave Ramsey's debt snowball method is about to blow your mind. The goal? Smashing those debts away like a champ. You can start by tackling the smallest debts first, creating unstoppable momentum. As you conquer each small debt, you gain the courage and confidence to take on the bigger ones. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gathering speed and power. Say goodbye to complicated strategies and say hello to the debt snowball. With Dave Ramsey by your side, you'll discover the fastest path to paying off debt and achieving true financial freedom. Let's roll this snowball together and learn how the debt snowball method works. Step 1. List your debts from smallest to largest. Step 2. Attack the smallest debt with ferocity, making extra payments to knock it out. Step 3. As soon as the smallest debt is gone, roll your payment into the next smallest debt. Step 4. Rinse and repeat. Keep snowballing your payments until you've conquered all your debts. If your largest debt has the highest interest rate, it will be a long time before you start to see a dent in that crazy balance of yours. But when you stick to the plan without worrying about interest rates, you will jump up and down when you pay off that smallest debt quickly. That excitement will motivate you to keep working hard to that debt-free finish line. Unleash the power of the debt snowball and watch those debts disappear like magic. Let's embrace the snowball effect and get ready to conquer our financial mountains. Now let's delve into the realm of personal finance.
Personal finance is about 80% behavior. It's only about 20% head knowledge and math. The problem with your money is not your math. The problem with your money is the person in your mirror. They're screwing up everything.
That's right. I've come to a powerful realization from the wisdom of Dave Ramsey. It's not just about crunching numbers and math. It's not just about making $20,000 a year and living off of it. It's also about behavior on how to handle money. Do you need help to live off $20,000 a year? No doubt. Can it be done? Yes, it can. How comfortable you are depends on your behavior. While living on $20,000 a year cannot be described as comfortable living, having a working budget and choosing where your money is spent can be less stressful. Think about it. We can know all the financial formulas and strategies, but it's like trying to sail a ship without a rudder. If we need the right mindset and discipline, our behavior and habits dictate our financial destiny more than anything else. Let's be honest with ourselves, my fellow finance enthusiasts, and put an end to our excuses. It's time to take full responsibility for our financial choices. That person we face in the mirror. Yep, they're causing the mess, and it's high time we take the reins. But fear not. The beauty of personal finance lies in our ability to change, grow, and improve. With the right mindset and savvy financial habits, we have the power to change and secure a brighter, wealthier future for ourselves.
I think you could be debt-free, move out, everything within just a few months here. But you're going to have to really make every dollar that you have behave.
With the right mindset and savvy financial habits, we can turn the tide and speed up our journey to debt freedom. And that's where the fastest way to pay off debt comes into play. By increasing our income, working harder and smarter, and staying focused, we'll be well on our way to crushing that debt.
Crushing debt.
It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. We're in this together, and I can't wait to see how we'll transform our financial lives. Let's embrace personal finance, master our behavior, and witness its profound impact on our financial journey. Imagine you are a 19-year-old with ambitious dreams of becoming a real estate agent. However, you find yourself burdened with debt, approximately $13,000, mainly from auto loans and a credit line. Drawing inspiration from Dave Ramsey's data-backed wisdom, you embarked on a journey to manage debt while pursuing your career aspirations in the real estate world. With an income of $450 per week, you must increase your earnings to conquer your debt quickly. Dave emphasizes the significance of credibility and maturity in real estate, encouraging you to consider working extra hours and exploring creative avenues to boost your income. Though your initial aspiration was to make a difference in your career, Dave suggests that you could positively impact lives by getting involved with other programs you could join. So, let's follow a remarkable journey toward financial freedom, and together, let's draw wisdom from the timeless advice of Dave Ramsey. Dave Ramsey's powerful insights on the fastest way to pay off debt have illuminated a path to financial freedom for countless individuals like Dylan. With his data-backed wisdom and practical strategies, Dave has shown us that taking control of our behavior and mindset is the key to conquering debt and achieving our financial goals. We've learned how to build momentum through the debt snowball method, starting with the smallest debts and snowballing our way to financial success. It's not just about crunching numbers. It's about embracing the journey, making wise choices, and staying focused on the prize. Now is the time to take action, fix those money habits, and unleash the power of change. Let's roll the debt snowball and wave goodbye to debt as we usher in a new era of financial well-being and independence.
Here's your final payment.
Thank you for joining. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. Master your behavior, stay disciplined, and make informed decisions. With Dave's advice and your dedication, a brighter future awaits. What do you think about this topic? Let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Finance Soon channel. I'll see you in the next video.